Hello, today we're in the Villages, Florida, and we're doing an Onyx Shower Installation. When we pull up in front of your home, we're going to pull up in a trailer like this. We're going to have the water-resistant drywall, which is typically referred to as green board, Onyx shower base, Onyx walls, Onyx vanity top, accessories, and all the supplies that we need to do your installation. So as you can see, what we're doing here is we're tearing out the existing fiberglass system. In some cases this will be tile, in some cases it will be fiberglass. What I'd like to show you is all the space that is wasted here with the fiberglass system. See all these wasted areas, air pockets? We're going to reclaim that. We're going to run drop cloths back to the bathroom itself, and within a couple hours your shower is going to look like this. As you can see, the studs are exposed, the plumbing is exposed, and we're in the process of removing all of the existing materials, whether that's fiberglass, as in this case, or tile. At the end of the first day, we're going to have your shower base installed. The plumbing and the green board will be installed, and on day 2, towards the afternoon, it'll look something like this. The Onyx walls are installed, the accessories are in, the grab bar, the seat, and we put in a beautiful vanity cabinet and a vanity top. These vanity cabinets, as you can see, have the easy close drawers on them. And day 3, your shower is going to look like this. The swinging 3/8 shower doors enclosure. The glass swings both inward and outward. And this one we've got a tall recessed caddy, an 18-inch pearl corner seat in onyx, a grab bar, new faucets, new shower head. The subway tile is the pattern this customer chose. Clear glass with silver. We put in a new light fixture here and a mirror, vanity top, and new vanity cabinet. We also did the floor on this one, and that's why it took 3 days. And thanks for joining us on our Villages, Florida Onyx Shower install.